It's been a while since I've done this. It's actually been a year since I took a work trip. So, time to pack the bags. Let's go.
March 4th, 2020 was the last time I flew commercially for business travel. It's a little exciting to just feel some sense of normalcy to actually pack for a trip and get back out on the road. All of this comes with a certain level of anxiety I just can't quite explain. While this is exciting, it's also very confusing to be back in this element.
And they've redone so many things at this airport, but I don't even know where I'm going. With all the construction and it being a year. Gonna learn today. It's weird, man. Airports are like all empty. Yeah, I don't really know how to describe all of this. It's just traveling is so different now. Like, I don't know. It's just weird. I love the disco tunnel. This is like one of my favorite places in any airport, anywhere.
Next step, pick up the rental car. Heat turned on in here. It's cold.
Alright, downtown Grand Rapids. I'm wearing my mask, not because of COVID, because it's freezing cold. Last time I came to Grand Rapids, I literally just went straight to the hotel because I was coming from Dulles. I didn't even eat dinner here. I literally got off the plane, went to the hotel, and then went back to the airport the next morning and flew to Detroit. So, taking some chance to wander around a little tonight. That's what's up. That's some on-time food right there. I can definitely see this be a cool city to hang out in during the summer. Like, I bet it's pretty nice around here, but it's too cold for anything right now, man. I'm gonna head back to the hotel. There's snow on the way. I don't really want to be out here playing in that, so. Till next time, Grand Rapids. On to Detroit.
I'll tell you what, evenings in Detroit, this used to be a thing for me. It's actually kind of weird doing it again. I mean, it's kind of nice out tonight, actually. But you spend a lot of time here, so just kind of want to stand out here and watch some arrivals for a minute if I can. Just enjoy the moment. It's weird traveling again. It's really weird. Actually, all of this is strange. But Like, part of me is really happy to be back doing this and kind of getting out there and seeing my bases again. But the other part of me is like, ugh, this is so exhausting. So, I don't know.
Well, go home day. It's been kind of a weird trip. Brief, only a couple days. Didn't really get to do or see much just because of bouncing around and you know, COVID restrictions. But another day of work and a flight home to Nashville. Weird. Well, there you have it. First travel trip in a year. Back on DNA time. Yeah, it's weird. It's all kind of weird. Happy to get, I got to do something, but I'm also happy to be home. So, anyway, till the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. This awkward, me trying to remember how to film vlogs, use a camera for a trip. It was a good time. Good to get out there again. Get to get some sky miles. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.